The Algorand blockchain is seen as one of the most advanced blockchains to be introduced within the crypto sphere, and it's quickly climbing the ladder in terms of market cap ever since its inception. In fact, the team behind this Layer 1 project aims to do something that has not been possible prior to its creation, and this is the ability for a blockchain to become infinitely scalable. There are a number of projects that aim to solve the blockchain trilemma, which is decentralization, scalability, and security, working together without compromise. Algorand is a project that has come the closest to achieving this goal. In fact, Algorand announced a partnership with FIFA, where they will be handling the crypto wallet and overall functionality regarding blockchain tech. This made Algorand the FIFA's first United States-based sponsor since 2011. Today, we're going to be discussing the Algorand blockchain, its native coin ALGO, and the innovation it brings alongside it. Hey everyone, it's Mark Thompson from CryptoMade, and today we're going to be going over everything you need to know when it comes to Algorand, alongside of its various use cases and solutions that it delivers. Now, before we go too far into this video, remember to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you always get alerted whenever I post upcoming videos. Keep in mind that this is not financial advice. This content is used for educational and informational purposes only. It's important to talk to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. And now with that out of the way, let's get started. Many blockchain projects have gathered a reputation for their vision as well as their ambitions. However, what they prioritize and what they gain a reputation for can vary. Typically, most projects will revolve around a total of three concepts, and these include decentralization, scalability, and security. Typically, a Layer 1 project can be great at one or two of these things, but not all three. This is where Algorand enters the big picture, and a project that has gathered the reputation of having all of the above, or at least coming the closest towards achieving that goal. The development process of this blockchain was overseen by the MIT professor Salvio Macaulay and Turing Prize winner, where the work initially began in 2017. Algorand's Layer 1 blockchain features smart contract functionality, and as such, it is a reason why so many decentralized applications are a part of this ecosystem. There are numerous Layer 1 blockchains that are competing with Algorand, including Solana, Cardano, and most notably Ethereum. Algorand aims to differentiate itself from the vast competition by being secure, scalable, quick, and cost-efficient. The mainnet was live in 2019, and since then, it has grown to an exponential level. Algorand uses what is known as pure proof of stake, which is a consensus algorithm that distributes ALGO, the cryptocurrency. This is how they can achieve consensus without directly relying on a central authority. The algorithm selects validators randomly from all holders of the token. The selected nodes can then add blocks. This is an approach specifically tailored towards enabling a high level of decentralization, as the system selects the participants automatically, which means that no single person has control over who the next nodes will be. This also contributes to a high level of security, as nobody can really know who the validators are at any point in time. All token holders are at an equal advantage, which reduces the chance of malicious actors while also keeping the system scalable. From the perspective of development, optimal efficiency is achieved due to the fact that the blocks are finalized within one single round of voting. This means that the blocks are finalized instantly, and this increases the transactions per second count by the blockchain network. Algorithm can handle 1,000 transactions per second with a latency of fewer than 5 seconds. As a point of comparison, Ethereum can process around 15 to 30 transactions per second. If we take that 30 TPS point and compare it to the 1000 TPS point of Algorand, we can see that Algorand is essentially 3,000% faster when compared to Ethereum. Now, let's look at algorithm security. Algorand has no majority that controls the network. Generating blocks is not limited to a small number of users, and there is no delegation process. Every token holder of the ALGO cryptocurrency can play a role in the overall security by proposing and casting their votes. Tokens do not have to be locked through a staking process to participate within the consensus mechanism, and they can keep the tokens in their wallet or any other supported form of storage and still be an active member of the blockchain. This gives the network a slight advantage over ones that rely on proof of stake. The ALGO cryptocurrency, however, has a maximum supply of 10 billion, providing scarcity similar to Bitcoin. This cryptocurrency has other use cases as well, such as filling the role of a payments processor and securing the platform while also rewarding its operators. Last but not least, the Algorand network can universally run on just about any application or program. This means that any developer can create smart contracts or dApps with minimal development time and cost. When we take a look at some of the most popular and successful applications that are currently running on top of the Algorand network, we we have IDEX, which is a decentralized smart contracts firm that builds advanced decentralized exchanges. We also have Republic, a project that gives individuals numerous opportunities through which they can invest in early stage startups, cryptocurrencies, games, real estate, and other types of investment. And then we have Meld Gold, which delivers safe and easy access to gold acquisition that enables investors to trade in real time. And then there's Yieldly, a project developed on top of Algorand, known due to its reputation of building the first DeFi smart contract for this blockchain, and one that lets users stake, swap, and pool ASA assets. Okay, so now onto my personal take. Algorand is a solid cryptocurrency project which has quickly climbed the blockchain-based project ladder. In fact, in terms of market cap, it has quickly made the top 50 list, currently sitting at the number 29 slot. However, since its creation, there have been competing blockchains that have been developed with a higher level of throughput. However, none have quite solved the blockchain trilemma as efficiently as Algorand. So far, the project has not seen any exploits or hacks, which showcases a high level of trust for the project in the eyes of its community, as well as the cryptocurrency investors. Algorand will become more valuable only at a point in time when more people start to use it, and it's still not managed to appeal to a global adoption scale. As of recently, Algorand became a partner of FIFA, which means that the project became FIFA's official blockchain platform and will provide a blockchain-supported wallet solution. This means that we could expect this project to spike in adoption in the future, but only time will tell how far it climbs. So what about you? Have you invested into the ALGO cryptocurrency yet? If you ended up enjoying this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more breakdowns on other crypto projects, including updates on everything that's going on in the industry.